Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix horn on Nissan Versa Easy Guide. First, disconnect the negative battery cable before testing the horn to avoid shocks and shorts. Locate the horn near the front grille and visually inspect connectors and wiring for corrosion or damage. Use a multimeter to check for 12V at the horn connector and gently tap the horn to test sound output before replacement. Start by pressing the horn while someone watches the fuse box for relay clicks and checks voltage at the horn connector. If the relay clicks and there is no sound, test the horn directly with 12V to isolate the issue. If the horn works with direct power, the problem is likely in wiring, switch, or relay. Trace damaged wiring and clean corroded terminals before replacing any component. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long repair sessions and fits cup holders perfectly, making it ideal for garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Now let's get back to the video. After confirming the faulty horn, unbolt the horn from its bracket and unplug the connector carefully to avoid breaking tabs. Mount the new horn in the same position, secure the bolts to factory torque, and reconnect the electrical plug snugly. Reconnect the negative battery cable, test the horn with the vehicle running, and ensure consistent sound. Replace any damaged fasteners or mounts to prevent rattles and maintain alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.